How to copy a message in WhatsApp web. So if you want to copy a message in WhatsApp web, then you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you can simply go for the search and you can search for WhatsApp web. Or if you have your WhatsApp application, you can open up your WhatsApp application. Now, if you want to copy a message, then you can simply open up your WhatsApp chat, any chat that you're comfortable with, and you can right click on that, and then here you may have a copy option. But if you don't find a copy option, or if you're not being able to copy the message, then you can simply go for the extensions, which is on the upper right. And under your extensions here, you will have the WA Web Plus. So if you don't have this extension, you need to add this extension to your browser. And once you open the extension, now here you may have enable copy message button. So you need to simply click on that extension. Once you click on enable copy message button, now you can simply go for any chat and then you can try to copy the message and you'll be able to copy. So that's it. That's how you can copy a message in WhatsApp web. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.